Mo.
Pinkfong.
Meeny Mo.
Pinkfong.
Story time with Pinkfong and animal friends.
King of the Animals.
Who will be the king of the animals?
Mane! Look at my mane!
Stripes! Look at my stripes!
I am the king of the animals!
Lion versus tiger. Tiger versus lion. Who will be the king of the animals?
You are no match for me!
Ha!
So sharp and fierce,
So strong and powerful.
me, I am the king of the animals!
I am the real king of the animals!
I am the strongest and most powerful!
Help!
Oh no! This little one's tail is on fire!
Wake up! I think he needs some water!
He seems to be waking up.
Help! Please help!
Oh!
A tree was struck by lightning last night, which caused a fire. The fire is growing bigger and bigger. It will soon reach here.
No!
Everyone must move to a safe place immediately.
Such a difficult task should definitely be handed over to me.
What was that?
Now is not the time to argue.
Oh!
You two are the bravest animals in the forest. You must stick together. That's the only way you can lead everyone out of this chaos.
Well, I think he made a point.
So, a temporary truce?
Okay, let's do this. How should we help everyone escape?
Let me see. I remember a canyon at the end of the forest. We just need to jump over this cliff. Then we can escape safely to the forest on the other side.
We need to split up to gather the animals and meet up in the canyon.
Sounds good!
Lion versus tiger. Tiger versus lion. Who will be the king of the animals?
So sharp and fierce, so strong and powerful.
We are the kings of the animals.
The forest across looks nice and safe.
But this canyon is too wide. Not everyone can make the jump.
I got it! Let's use that big tree so that everyone can walk over to the other side.
But how can we bring down the big tree?
Maybe I can help.
Oh!
My horns are hard. Please let me try to knock down the big tree. Huh? Huh! You did it! Now it's my turn.
Great!
Good! Please hurry across the bridge. Everyone line up one by one.
No!
Oh!
My baby is missing. He must be still in the forest.
You cross the bridge first, and I will surely rescue him. Don't worry.
Mama!
Don't be afraid. Hold on to me. You'll see your mama soon.
Watch out! The bridge is about to break!
What?
What should we do?
Hold on, little rabbit. We are about to take off. We did it!
Huh? Hey, grab this!
Thank you.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Thank you. You two are true kings of the animals.
We couldn't have done it without everyone's help.
We got through this chaos because we worked together.
Ha ha!
Both of you are the king of the animals.
Thank you, Lion. Thank you, Tiger.
Hey guys! Check out our fun games with Pinkfong Plus. Try it now for free.